I got you covered.
This book is like going to your own apothecary store and just grabbing what you want right up off the shelf. Here we go. Here it is, glycerite to calm ear ringing and tinnitus. Here's a list of ingredients with instructions on how to make it and dosage. Here's a remedy for vertigo. Here's another one for tinnitus and one for arthritis. And here's safety guidelines and precautions with proper usage and dosage. This is just a small sample of the 250 different remedies that are in this book. This is Dr. Nicole Apelian, an herbalist who spent years living in nature with the San Bushmen of the Kalahari Desert, one of the last indigenous peoples who still live as hunter-gatherers. This is The Forgotten Home Apothecary. This is a fantastic book that I think everyone should have a copy of. I'm going to leave an orange shopping cart down below so you can grab one for yourself.